Very good morning, student. This is Sonal Gram from the chemistry department. As per in previous session, we already discussed about the physical significance of the entropy. There are the four significance: entropy and spontaneity, entropy and disorderliness, entropy as unavailable energy, and the entropy as the probability. As the four significance value increases, this unavailable energy increases, spontaneity increases, disorderliness increases, probability increases. There is what happened, thermodynamic probability increases, so the increases in entropy. So today we are going to discuss about the calculation of the change in entropy of an ideal gas as a change in temperature, pressure and volume. Temperature, pressure and volume. So we already know the entropy is what? It is the state function. It is the state function whose value depend upon the initial state and फाइनल स्टेट. जो एंट्रोपी की जो वैल्यू रहती है विच इज डिपेंड अपॉन दी सिस्टम का इनिशियल स्टेट एंड वही सिस्टम का फाइनल स्टेट. सो दिस वैल्यू विच इज रिलेटेड टू व्हाट, सपोज द आइडियल गैसेस स्टेट अगर लेते हैं, सो दिस आइडियल गैस की जो एंट्रोपी रहती है विच इज डिपेंड अपॉन दी टू वेरिएबल आउट ऑफ थ्री वेरिएबल. मीन्स व्हाट, सपोज दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज द गैस and we find the entropy for the gas, so which is depend upon the temperature, pressure and volume. Out of these three variable, there is what, the entropy is depend upon the, it may be temperature and pressure or it may be temperature and volume. Generally we will take the temperature as the first variable. Okay, so entropy we can also what, that is the entropy as a state function of the temperature and the pressure, entropy as a state function of temperature and volume. So how to this related the entropy, temperature and pressure, and how to relate it to temperature and value, we calculate today the entropy change of an ideal gas for the temperature and pressure. So let us calculate for this. We can also call this the entropy changes as the variable temperature, pressure and volume. We can also tell that the entropy change of an ideal gas with a change in pressure, temperature and volume, entropy as a state function of temperature and pressure and the temperature value and volume, and entropy is changes for the variable temperature, pressure and volume. There are the three types of question asked in your exam. So these are the three same, the meaning is same. So first of all we understand by taking this one. Suppose as per the first law, we remember the first law today. So amount of heat absorbed, what happened, there is a change in internal energy and there is a work. So we can write Q is equal to E plus PV. dQ is equal to dE plus PV. dQ is equal to dE plus PV. So dE plus P dV, d plus P dV. So for this here we can write dQ reversible is equal to dE plus P dV, dE plus P dV. This is the equation number 1. dQ reversible dE plus PdV. Okay, so this equation consists of the two parameters dE and PdV. So first of all, as per the definition of heat capacity, the change in internal energy upon per unit change in temperature at constant volume is equal to heat capacity. What is the heat capacity? Change in internal energy per unit change in temperature at constant volume is equal to Cv. So we can write Cv is equal to, dE is equal to Cv dt. We will get the first value for this dV. Second is PdV. So second thing, PdV as per the, ये है as per the definition of heat capacity as per the ideal gas equation. PV is equal to RT. For n mole of gas, PV is equal to nRT. So P is equal to what? RT upon V. This is the second, that is the V. पुट दिस टू वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन 1. ये दोनों की भी a एंड b वैल्यू जो मिली है, दैट इज द p एंड de वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन 1. सो व्हाट वी गेट अगेन, dq रिवर्सिबल is equal to what is de cv dt plus p dv. What is p? That is the rt upon v into dv. Okay, this is the second. We can give the second number. Okay, for this second number equation we divide this second number equation by temperature. So dq reversible by T is equal to Cv dt by T plus RT dV upon V divided by T. So this dp cancel. So we get, that is the dq reversible by T is equal to Cv dt upon T plus R dV upon V. So this last equation you can see the familiar equation. One of the parameters is familiar, that is the dq reversible by T. So the dq reversible by T is what? That is the small change in entropy. That is the small change in entropy. dq reversible by T is equal to ds. So put this equation, this value in this equation. So ds is equal to what? Cv dt by T plus R dv by V. Up to here you can understand, this is the small change in entropy is equal to Cv dt by T plus R dv by V. This equation is number 3. From this three equation number, अभी यहाँ तक you can understand. So we get already value of change in entropy, that is the temperature and pressure. But temperature and one, but thing is what? Suppose we calculate the entropy for finite state of system. अगर अपने को क्या करना है, एंट्रोपी चेंज कैलकुलेट करना है फॉर फाइनाइट स्टेट. So we required to apply the integration within the limits of whatever the factor in that equation. जो भी पैरामीटर्स है वो अपने को क्या करना पड़ेगा, इंटीग्रेशन. क्यों लगाना पड़ेगा? Because of reason is what? Suppose we want to calculate the finite changes of that state of system और उसकी अगर एंट्रोपी निकालना है वो सिस्टम की, so we got apply the integration. Suppose this is the system, ये पहला सिस्टम है, दिस इज दूसरा सिस्टम. अगर अपने को क्या करना है, इसकी फाइनाइट चेंज निकालना है और इसकी वैल्यू एंट्रोपी क्या रहेगी इसकी. सो वी हैव टू अप्लाई दी व्हाट, क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू अप्लाई दी इंटीग्रेशन. सो वी हैव टू डू दिस व्हाट, S1 to S2 लिमिट, T1 to T2 and last one is V1 to V2. So what is the third equation? See, ds is equal to Cv dt upon T plus R dv upon V. This is the third equation. So integrate this equation by the limits S1 to S2, T1 to T2, V1 to V2. For what? Why we apply the integration? We have to calculate for this finite state of system और उसकी finite state of system जो रहेगा उसकी अगर एंट्रोपी अपने को निकालना है, so we have to apply what? The integration. So integration S1 to S2 ds is equal to Cv बाहर आ जाएगा, that is the Cv into T1 to T2 dt upon T plus फिर से R is last one V1 to V2 dv upon V. So what is integrated equation, integrated form of equation. So see, we can write this integrated form equation S2 minus S1 is equal to Cv in the form of log ln Cv ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln V2 upon V1, R ln V2. So this term S2 minus S1, you just remember the change in entropy, that is delta S is equal to S2 minus S1, that is the final state minus initial state. So we can write here delta S is equal to CV ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln V2 upon V1. So this is the well-known equation for the change in entropy for an ideal gas system which is depend upon the temperature and volume. This is the first equation. So this equation we can in the form of write in the form of two form, n form and the log form. So delta up to here, this is the equation. But for the information, delta S is equal to, we can write this equation in the form of log 2.303 CV log of T2 upon T1 plus 2.303 R log of V2 upon V1. For n log of, you can write this equation again. Delta S is equal to n CV ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln n R ln V2 upon V. These three equations are same from this 1, 2, 3. All these equations are same. We only change is what? Here we write in the form of ln, here we write in the form of log, and here we write in the form of n log. Suppose the ideal gas which is in the form of n mole of gas, so we can write in the three form, but meaning is same for these three equations. So this equation, from this equation, that is the last equation, which is important for the next equation calculation, that is the number 4. That is the number 4. We will evident that the equation, that is the change in entropy, which is depend upon the initial state and the final state. That is the initial state, that is the T1, and the final state, that is the T2, that is the temperature, and the also depend upon the initial volume V1 and final value V2, that is the volume. So this is equation is for what? किसके लिए है this equation? The entropy change which is depend upon the temperature, that is the initial temperature and the final temperature, and the volume, initial volume and the final volume. So no doubt the entropy, it is the state function of temperature and volume. This is the for first. This is for first. So this equation, so let us understand by one. So first of all, we will take the what? That is the from the first law of thermodynamics, dq is equal to d plus p dv. For reversible process, dq reversible is equal to d plus p dv. After that, we calculate this equation value, that is the dE and the p dv. dE value from the heat capacity definition, the amount of heat absorbed, that is the change in internal energy per unit change in temperature at volume is equal to heat capacity. So Cv dt, this is the value of dE, and from the ideal gas equation we calculate the PV is equal to RT, P is equal to RT upon V. These two equations we fill up in the first equation, we will get given another form of equation number 2, dq reversible is equal to Cv dt plus RT dV. So this second number of equation, what we done? क्या किया अपन ने? There is a what? D divided by the temperature. After that, the cancelling the T term, that is the temperature term, we will get given another form of parameter, that is the ds is dq reversible by T is equal to Cv dt by T upon, that is the RdV by T. So from this we will get again idea about the we remember that is the change in entropy, that is the Ts upon dq reversible by T is equal to entropy, change in entropy, that is the small change in entropy, that is the Ts. So the Ts is equal to Cv dt by T plus RdV by V. This third equation we get some hint, we got hint, that is the change, small change in entropy is depend upon the small change in temperature and small change in volume. But for the finite changes, अगर सिस्टम फाइनाइट चेंजेस में है, सो उसकी एंट्रोपी कैलकुलेट करने के लिए वी हैव टू अप्लाई व्हाट द इंटीग्रेशन, that is parameter S1 to S2, T1 to T2, V1 to V2. So from this we will get the integrated form of equation. Limits S1 to S2 ds is equal to Cv limits T1 to T2 dt upon T plus limit R into R into integration V1 to V2 dV upon V. So after that, so S1 to S2, it is what? It is the change in entropy, that is the initial state and final state. So delta S is equal to CV ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln V2 upon V1. And this is the last equation for what? That is the entropy change of an ideal gas with a change in temperature and volume. With a change in temperature upon volume. Today we firstly already give the hint. For ideal gas or the gaseous system, the entropy change is depend upon the only two variable out of three variable. So first one, what we see, that is the entropy change for two variable. Which one? Temperature and volume. And in next lecture we will discuss about the entropy change for the change in entropy for the next two variable, that is the temperature and pressure, and also calculate the entropy change for isochoric, isobaric and isothermal and adiabatic process. So thank you so much, student. So this is the last equation for the entropy change for an ideal gas with a change in temperature and volume. So thank you so much, student.